Hello, that's it with the multi-info report. En este informe, hablo en castellano primero, sí, y después en English, which is a language as well. Sí. Entonces, hay tres cosas, dos tormentas tropicales y una zona de probabilidad aquí. Primero, en el Atlántico, hay una tormenta tropical Dorian. En el pronóstico oficial se prevé que esta tormenta mantiene estas fuerte y vientos, pero y en otro escenario aquí, por aquí, bajo. En otro escenario, Dorian podría degenerar en una onda tropical. En los próximos días es un otro escenario. Pero el pronóstico oficial dice que esta tormenta mantiene esta fuerte. No conozco la palabra. Y aquí es el satélite de Dorian. Y sí, en el momento no hay ningún peligro afectando tierra, pero en el futuro próximo, no sé, sin dudas, hay peligros afectando tierra. Pero en el momento no hay nada. Y en el Pacífico hay una otra tormenta tropical Flossie. Y Flossie está moviendo hacia Hawaii. Sí, y creo que es un evento raro cuando una tormenta tropical o depresión tropical toca la tierra de Hawaii. ¿Hawaii? No sé cómo pronunciar este estado en español. Sí. Y sí. En el noroeste pacífico también hay una zona de probabilidad aquí. Es una zona de probabilidad mediana según el JTWC. Y es todo para ciclones y huracanes y tormentas tropicales para hoy. Sí, so in English, going backwards, we've got this thing over here in the Northwest Pacific, medium chance of tropical cyclone formation on this one. That is Northwest Pacific. So it's this zone of multi-info here. And then over in the Atlantic, of course, we've got Tropical Storm Dorian. Dorian still with no land hazards, but definitely going to have some land hazards in the future. So again with that, the forecast discussion they've got, well, the official forecast has this thing maintaining its tropical storm status, maintaining strength. And then in another scenario, it's possible it could degenerate into a tropical wave. Now, of course, I'm sure it still would bring some light winds, probably a lot of rain and such. So it's not like it would be completely non-threatening, but it wouldn't potentially, be a big, bad hurricane at some point in the future if it degenerates like that. And then we've got Tropical Storm Flossie, where this thing is predicted to be a tropical depression as of the time it makes landfall in Hawaii. And I think that is supposed to be fairly rare, because I believe the sea surface temperatures out near Hawaii are generally not very favorable. Look at that thing. Yeah, we didn't even look at the satellite for Flossie. Not Flossie. Dorian, let's go back. There is Dorian. So Flossie, actually, to me, looks more impressive satellite-wise. But yes, so I think it is supposed to be a fairly rare event when Hawaii gets hit with something that is officially a tropical cyclone at that point. So a tropical cyclone, in terms of the NHC, could be a tropical depression, tropical storm, or a hurricane of some sort. So yes, that is what is going on at the moment. Yeah, so obviously, big news there. And of course, what's it going to do in the future? Is it going to potentially be a problem to this? Is it going to dissipate over land out in here? Don't know yet. And then, of course, it could just degenerate into a tropical wave. Yes. So, in severe thunderstorm weather-wise in the US today, let's see what the mesoscale discussion is that's in effect. Yes, that is severe thunderstorm potential increasing through mid-afternoon, mainly hail. Watch unlikely, though, 20% on that one. So let's take a look at the probabilities in general. So today, it is actually finally a somewhat tamer day than the previous days. But here is the map showing the probability of severe wind, which would be winds 58 miles per hour greater. So only as high as 5%, but it is all these 4 different areas. Hail is the biggest threat today, where we've got these somewhat tinier areas where there's a 15% chance. So this is showing the probability of 1 inch larger hail. So as high as a 15 and then a 5 down there. Tornado-wise, not predicted again, but doesn't mean that can't happen. Just means the outlook isn't favorable. Tomorrow dips back down to 5%, but that's a whole bunch of states over in the eastern area, and then this area back there. And then day 3 is actually supposed to be quiet, severe thunderstorm weather-wise, as of right now. Whether that happens and stays that way, who knows? SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocan is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.